What do I order when eating out with friends? The key, as with anything keto, is to eliminate as many carbs as possible. So go for that nice fatty burger. Just keep it protein style and ditch the bun. Replace those carbs with keto-friendly things like cheese, avocado, bacon, butter. I'm getting hungry just thinking about the list, all right? We can make it a double bacon avocado cheeseburger. If you go for a salad, be careful with the dressing. A lot of dressings are sneaky and have added sugars, which are a problem for keto dieters, all right? And those light dressings, we want the full fat. That's why I recommend substituting most dressings for simple oil, like olive or avocado oil are great. With a little pinch of vinegar, if you're into that. Remember all those awesome keto snacks we talked about the other day? They are a great backup plan for the social keto. So in review 1, order full fat, full flavor foods. 2, replace carbs with keto-friendly substitutes. 3, dressings, delicious and simple. 4, when needed, bring backup.